Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 12th of June, 2025, our system has categorized MicroStrategy Incorporated as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.17. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock encountered a loss of -1.21%. This results in an average daily loss of -0.30% since it was identified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a further increase along this path. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 33.22% over the coming months, with expected returns ranging from 15.92% to 65.42%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of about 78.81%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 38.97% to 200.92% over the next year. In practical terms, this suggests that the future price can fall between $521.39 and $1,129.01. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline, MicroStrategy Incorporated stock upgraded to sell candidate. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price decreased by 1.85% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, falling from $382.25 to $375.18. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 3.07%, ranging from a low of $367.21 to a high of $378.48. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 3.16% over this period. Although the trading volume increased by 3 million shares on the last day, it was amidst falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. The risk is expected to rise slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 11 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $4.08 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $543, while the lowest was $102.40. Currently, the price stands at 30.91%, or $167.82, below the 52-week high of $543, which is also the all-time high for this stock. MicroStrategy Incorporated, trading under the ticker MSTR, is facing significant legal challenges following the announcement of a class action lawsuit filed against the company and certain officers. The lawsuit, initiated by Pomerantz LLP, targets alleged violations of federal securities laws affecting investors who acquired MSTR securities between the 30th of April, 2024 and the 4th of April, 2025. This class action aims to recover damages on behalf of these investors due to potential securities fraud. The implications of this lawsuit could be profound for MicroStrategy. In the short term, we may see increased volatility in the stock price as investors react to the news and consider the potential risks associated with the ongoing litigation. Such actions often lead to a sell-off, as shareholders may choose to liquidate their holdings in anticipation of declining stock performance. In the longer term, the outcome of the lawsuit could severely impact MSTR's reputation and financial stability. If the company is found liable, it could face significant financial penalties, which may affect its cash reserves and ability to invest in future growth initiatives. This, in turn, could influence sustained interest from both institutional and retail investors, subsequently weighing on the stock price. Overall, the recent news casts a shadow over MicroStrategy's operational outlook and may result in a cautious approach from current and potential investors as the legal proceedings unfold. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned a buy grade to MSTR while maintaining a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned a hold grade to MSTR, again with a hold action. Additionally, on that Monday, Barclays also provided a hold grade to MSTR, along with a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, UBS assigned a buy grade to MSTR while maintaining a hold action. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, BTIG assigned a buy grade to MSTR with a hold action as well. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The stock of MicroStrategy Incorporated shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $384.35 and $389.19. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, and so far the stock has fallen by 11.01%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased during yesterday's price decline, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 25 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 41 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock encounters support just below today's level, stemming from accumulated volume at $343.03 and $296.86. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this support is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, MicroStrategy Incorporated has support just beneath today's level at $343.03. If this support is broken, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $296.86 and $293.61. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $11.27 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.07%. Furthermore, during the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.44%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates project a loss of 12 cents per share. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at 402.69. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at 343.03. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from various analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of June, 2025, Pat and Jared M. conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of Series A Perpetual Stride Preferred Stock. On the same day, Montgomery Janine made an insider purchase of 1,140 shares of Class A common stock. Also on the 5th of June, Montgomery Janine conducted an insider sale of 1 share of Class A common stock. On the 6th of June, 2025, Montgomery Janine sold 24 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Montgomery Janine sold an additional 28 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 7.316. In summary, insiders have purchased a total of 108,794 shares and sold 126,243 shares in the last 100 trades. We have reached a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? The stock of MicroStrategy Incorporated currently presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that MicroStrategy Incorporated will likely perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation for this stock has shifted from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 18th of June, we expect MicroStrategy Incorporated to open lower by $1.56, starting at $373.62. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.